Okay. Again.
Just only guests, dear teachers, loving parents, and my wonderful friends. My name is Zanjabir Mohammed Al-Shaibani, and it is a great honor to stand before you today as Mr. Islam 2025. Today is not just a farewell, it is a celebration of growth, learning, and beautiful memories. This journey has taught me that wisdom is not about age. Wisdom is about listening, learning, and choosing kindness every day. Through this experience, I have learned that true wisdom means respecting others, helping those in need, and always trying to do what is right, even when no one is watching. It means speaking with honesty, acting with courage, and leading with a good heart. To my teachers, thank you for guiding me with patience and care. You planted the seeds of knowledge and helped me grow with confidence. To my parents, thank you for your endless love and support. You are my first teachers, and you taught me that wisdom begins at home with respect, responsibility, and faith. To my friends, thank you for the laughter, teamwork, and encouragement. We learn together, we grow together, and we will continue to shine together. As Mr. Wisdom 2025, I promise to continue learning, to stay humble, and to use my knowledge to inspire others. This is not the end of my journey. It is only the beginning of a brighter future, filled with purpose and dreams. Thank you for believing in me. Thank you for supporting me. And thank you for celebrating this special moment with me. Goodbye for now, and may we all continue to grow in wisdom and kindness.
Again.